Here we have the Amcrest doorbell. So here you can see the nice little blue light on top, and the faceplate. The faceplate is interchangeable. Here's a quick demonstration of adjusting the sensitivity of the zones. And looking at the menu, and then you can try and see I have a friend that's walking up, so we can see if it triggers. Currently, this doorbell is positioned at a weird angle because it is not facing directly outside. As you can see here, you get the notification right here. So just testing out all the zones, and it does work as intended. And then I'm going to go and move forward to another type of testing in a little bit here. So here I'm just walking, recording myself on another iPhone, trying to see there, it gives you a notification. And now here I'm also playing all the sensitivities as well.